So I'm doing research for videos, and I come across these every once in a while, and I never really watched them until recently because I was just interested to see what they had to say. Because the thumbnails are always spectacular, like this one right here from Fishing TV. Shows, well, now it starts to play the video. This reminds me a lot of the Elsagate stuff. Just very hyperactive, weird stuff going on, fake noises in the back room. They put a lot of effort into this video. It's kind of strange. What they're about to do in this video is another thing that is very common amongst these videos. Besides putting the crazy sound effects in there, for some reason, they're always digging for these animals. The animals always have a burrow, and they always just use some sort of wacky thing. Sometimes it'll be a metal detector, sometimes a dog, whatever it is, and they find these random holes and start digging and just pull snakes out of it.
Hãy vào cái lỗ này rồi. Gò quá, sợ quá, không kịp nhìn đâu mà.
That's right. Just stick your hand right in the hole. I now understand why it took Leonardo DiCaprio until The Revenant to be able to get an Oscar. So at this point, they've dug for legitimately like 10 minutes. It's just been one long shot of them digging, and then they finally come across this hole. And what is in the hole, you might ask? A giant, what looks to be a Burmese python. They shoved this python in a hole in the ground and dug at it for however long. And this isn't even the craziest part. This is a beautiful snake too, by the way. Like it's a really nice looking snake, and it's just moving along this canal of this dirty water they put it in. And then, and then the guy's getting strangled by it. So they got to add some excitement to this. And here's the thing. It's not even like this is some old thing. This video was uploaded 11 hours ago by Fishing TV, who has 251,000 subscribers. Let's see. Traditional hunting video made by an experienced young man. Joined May 27th, 2020. 62 million views. So, 1 year ago today, this video that they have detecting traces of the world's largest snake, 22 million views. And here's the thing, this isn't the only channel like that. A lot of these videos now are not, they upload a lot. They upload once every other day, it looks like. And some of their popular videos, 7.5 million views. Pit bull dog facing two giant snakes in one hole. Again, over the top acting. They find a snake in a hole, and the snake apparently attacks them. And all I did was type up biggest snake, and that's the kind of stuff I get. Again, the same snake it looks like. They're using a dog to dig it up. And they got multiple snakes in this one, but it's the same concept, except they used the dog to find it this time. This is a different channel, but the same sort of thing. 2 Voy 3 Mien TV. When you look at it from the main screen, it says Fishman TV, I believe. Yeah, Fish King TV, excuse me. Again, same scenario, that same snake. They're using the same snakes in these videos. I don't know if this is exactly the same one, but they might be just renting them out from people. This is literally a rehash of the same video from before. They're using a bigger dog to dig out the snakes, and they find the python in the ground. It's literally the same video. Again, this one has 17 million views. This was 11 months ago. 17 million. Like, in these comments too, these are awesome because he trained his pit bull perfectly. I don't understand these other languages. No idea. No idea. No idea. No idea. I can't read that. Breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner in one. Good hunt, boys. Credit goes to the dog. I'm from Brazil. Every day I saw you. You are funny, KK. I love you. I feel sorry for the snake. I wonder what happened. Did they eat it or maybe sold it? Qualities of a good teacher. Very clever dog. These people think this is real. Or they're bot. I mean, it has 17 million views. They are like, they are putting that snake underground. I mean, if it was any other animal, it's abuse, but they do this though. These animal torture videos. I mean, look, even right here. I'm kidding. Chandler's not that bad. He just free handles a little too much. Now here's another one.
And whoa! Dang! Layers and layers! Hey, bro, check it out. It's a world's first, but now we're gonna step it up a mode.
How disgusting is this? People using their platform to make it seem like these animals are big, vicious animals popping open eggs. This is the same thing. It's just nothing but a show to make people come in and view your stuff. And how much are they actually learning? They don't care. They're there to watch the snake bite you. They're there for the snake to go after you. That's what people are there for. It's just disgusting. This video has 55 million views, again from the Fish King TV, as you see right here, Fish King. The same dog, the same tactic, dig out the burrow, find the snake. Oh, this time it's not pythons, it's a bunch of cobras. They put a bunch of cobras in there and are digging them out. 20 cobras. 55 million views. So brave. Thank God no one got bit. Lots of love from Brazilian. All of these people fooled by what they're watching or just don't care. And why do I make a deal of it? Well, because what it does is show people to be scared of these animals, that they're vicious, that they're going to go after you, that people are going to kill them, already more than they already do. Then in their description, hello everyone, come to YouTube channel Thuvu3Mien TV. We respect the audience and comply with YouTube's policies. All our videos are made safely by experienced professionals, so you absolutely do not follow in any way. Thank you for watching the video. Are these guys doing bad stuff? Pretty much. I don't think they should be able to do this on the internet, but at the same time, there were a lot worse videos that I saw that I think YouTube finally took down, like people putting cats in front of snakes and pretending to save them and all sorts of stuff. I wasn't able to find those anymore, so I think they finally took them down. And this guy obviously probably bought someone's channel and decided to put some crazy stuff on it. And I think that's what they did. Or maybe they use it as a way to get around YouTube's issues. That's what it feels like. But regardless, I mean, definitely doesn't shed animals in a good light. But, and I know I made the joke about Jays Prehistoric Pets before, but it's the same concept. You think this is outright ridiculous, but when you go out there or you're free handling constantly and acting like it's not a big deal, not everyone does it. There are some free handlers that do a great job of it and definitely make it like, hey, don't do this. I've been doing this for a long time. I don't necessarily have a problem with them, but there are people on the internet that I've seen that will go up to wild snakes and just pick them up. You don't know that animal. That animal could decide at any moment to turn around and bite you, and if you ended up killed because of something like that, you would not put a good name on the animal community, and make things a lot more difficult for the other people who are just trying to live their life. And it makes people hate the snakes. It makes it here in the United States at least, it's like 5 people on average a year that actually die. And thousands and thousands of snakes every year are killed by us, and whether it be on purpose or hitting them with cars. These animals are on their way downhill, and by putting them in a light of, look how scary and crazy, oh my god, he almost bit me, that doesn't look good. And there are plenty of people who do a good job of spreading their knowledge and showing off their animals without having them strike at you every single video. We know why Jays Prehistoric Pets does well, because the average person who looks at that short video of that giant snake lunging at his chest is like, oh my God, that's nuts. They don't want to look away. No wonder it gets views. I put viral videos in my videos when I talk about things because it works. Then I talk about them and I try to actually spin it in a certain way and show how awesome these animals are. But you need to respect them. And he just laughs. I know it's turning into a Jays, prehistoric pets, shit on, but that's what it feels like. You know what, Jay? Jay, you are the Tiger King of the reptile world. That's what it feels like. I didn't expect this video to take that turn, but that's just what I felt like saying. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if this is a type of video you like. If you do like the way I went about it and, try to do something a little different today. I got some stuff that's going to be coming out pretty soon that I'm super excited to get out to you guys. I'm going to keep on pushing, keep on making content, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Stay wild.